Now you gotta do it like you were doing it before.
Oh, yeah.
No, you gotta do it the way you were doing it before with the shoes.
Should I slip right out of them?
Yeah, the way you jumped right out of them.
Okay. Now?
Yep.
You take a picture? I want to see.
Nope, keep doing it. This is what it's like at our house. All the time. Huh? Yeah, pull your pants up. Huh? Hi. Wave to your parents. Hi, everybody. There we go. One more time. Did you see that? What was that?
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Kieran's over
no,
there.
it's Kieran's turn. Watch Kieran fall on his head. Oh, my goodness. Wow.
You should take a picture of me jumping in the air.
An action shot?
Yeah, action shot.
Careful.
Take a picture.